Did you see someone's WhatsApp message but there are the blue ticks on your iPhone? This can happen due to privacy settings or network problems. In this video, I'll explain why this happens and show you how to fix it. Let's jump right in. Before moving on, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi or mobile data. Turn on and off airplane mode. After trying these basic settings, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear WhatsApp cache. First, open up the Settings app. After that, tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Find the WhatsApp app. Here you will find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now tap on the Offload app. Again, tap the Offload app to confirm it. Next, tap Reinstall it. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants tap Reset network settings again. Tap Reset network settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.